Hi everybody, I'm now in Bolivia at the salt flats here. It's a very unique place. Most people who come to Bolivia want to visit this place because everything you see here is salt, not snow. I joined a tour from Uyuni, and the first place they go to is the train cemetery. Let me show you some of the clips from the train cemetery. Basically, Uyuni once had most of the locomotives in Bolivia, and over time the locomotives broke down and they didn't repair it, and they just dumped all the locomotives at a site, and it's called the train cemetery. Yeah, I mean, if you come on this tour, you go there anyway. And so we went there, and then we had lunch. Then we came to the salt flats, and we took a few photos. My visit to Bolivia is quite brief, mainly because I don't like the cold weather. So tomorrow I'll be going to Argentina, where it will be 10 degrees warmer. Anyway, let me show you some of the videos from the salt flats.
Ya, un poquito de información sobre el salar. Ya se dan cuenta, hemos ingresado al salar.
This tour has certainly been value for money, and we even got red wine at the end of the tour.